Should I use VS Code or should I not use VS Code? That is the question. What's this button for? I don't have the first idea. I do know this one feels lighter, and it's supposedly more ergonomic. Supposedly. Maybe it's a good idea to charge it. Now, which cable was it that charged it? Well, who knows, my man? The money, the money. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, I'm going crazy. I can always use Apple's. Lord, Apple's is so strange, bro. It's like, what the fuck is this? Look at this, bro. I can literally put my whole hand on top of it. And it's the only way in which you can comfortably use it. Because otherwise it's like the edges are so sharp. My hand just can't really rub around it without feeling odd in some way. Quite disgusting. But why not? Let's go ahead and try it. I do have its cable here. And yeah, that's about it. But why would I try it if I don't use VS Code? Because maybe, just maybe, I could use VS Code, right? You know, bit odd, just a bit though. Let's see. Does it connect automatically? Nope. Bluetooth. Oh yeah, Bluetooth is disabled. Now, technically, if I turn it on again, it should connect automatically, right? Nope. So it seems. Oh no, it is. Or not, I don't know. No, there you go. Connected. How much battery is it left? 50%. Wow. Never even once charged it and it's somehow still at 50%. It's odd. Because like to scroll, you can actually, it's really odd. Incredibly odd. Well, doesn't matter. Brew, upgrade, no, yeah, no. What was it? Well, first of all, let's rust up. Update. Rust analyzer, Clippy, Rust looks, Rust source, Rust C. I am so hungry, actually. I am so hungry. 191.1. Phew. Alright. Let's go lazy git and let's git pool 5 commits. which were build, bump the Rust dependencies group across one directory with 3 updates, whatever. Depend upon, right now, yeah, depend upon. Fix also escape when pre-printing anonymous nodes. I had the first idea what was that supposed to mean, but whatever. Fix theme, add missing jump label to Everforest Light. Whatever. Inject rejects into coverage value for jobs in GitLab CI. Oh yeah, the grammar for GitLab CI. In the other one. Alright, whatever. Now that it's pulled, let's go. Profile. Actually, let's check out first if that one I got right. Docs, Helix, editor.com, master. Hopefully it's not changed. So it's cargo, install, profile, opt, config, build, Rust flags, C, target CPU, native, path, helix term, well done. Duh. Build Rust flags. That's the only thing that it changed once. Alright, here we go, mates. Enter. I'm really hungry. Find MSVC tools. What in the actual fuck is that? Docs RS. Find MSVC tools. These modules are all glued to support reading the MSVC version from the registry and from COM interfaces, whatever that is. Sorry, I'm not from Windows. Just kidding. I should probably know it. Tool found by Find MSVC tools. NVS a version of Visual Studio. NVGetter. What? Wait, Helix is supported on Windows? Oh yeah, it was Kako Une, the one that was not supported in Windows, but I'm pretty confident Helix is supported. Well, let's check out Open. Use this library to open a given path or URL in some application, or being the current user's desktop configuration. It is expected that HTTP and HTTP URLs will open in a web browser, although the desktop configuration may override this. The choice of application for opening other path types is highly system dependent. To always open a web browser, see the web browser crate, which offers functionality for that specific case. Open the given URL in the default web browser without blocking. Nice. Unblocking. The functions provided in unblocking as it will return even though the launch child process is still running. But then what does it do? Async or multi-threaded? Note that depending on the operating system, spawning launch helpers which this library does under the hood might still take hundreds of milliseconds. Beware that in some platforms and circumstances, the launcher may block. In this case, please use the commands or with command accordingly to spawn it without blocking. Oh, I wish I could use Rust. Unfortunately, not just yet. Not just yet. Version, dare I say, that is indeed the latest version. Oh, for fuck's sake, no. Oh, yeah. Now I have to fuck me, Richard. Well, alright, yeah, that's correct. That is correct. Alright. Let me check that one out. Well, I'm gonna restart.